Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited to be here with you today. As indicated, my name is Ahmed Alkahlout. I'm head of digital at Qatar Foundation. I'm going to talk about how AI is revolutionizing the digital marketing. And I'm going to show you some example of how you can boost your digital marketing efforts using artificial intelligence applications. But before we start, I want to see by raising hand how many of you believe that AI can reshape the future of digital marketing. And how many of you don't believe that? That's cool. So the majority believe that AI can reshape the future of digital marketing. A few years ago, marketers were somewhat reluctant to incorporate artificial intelligence within their digital strategy. But we have seen this year that more companies are still, they're more starting to integrate the artificial intelligence since its ambiguity has been reduced with respect to the results it can provide. These intelligent tools keeps evolving more and more, and even reaching to a point where it can surpass the human efforts, or like what we are going to see next. So before proceeding further, I want to define the artificial intelligence. And like my colleague, previous keynote speakers, artificial intelligence is the science that deals with building intelligent machine that can think and respond like a human. It holds a big and a huge amount of potentials out in the digital marketing. And we have seen like more and more organizations are leaning on artificial intelligence for cutting-edge applications. Looking into analytics and statistics, a survey taken by over 1,600 professionals showed that 61% of them, they think that artificial intelligence and machine learning are going to be the most important initiatives or data initiatives next year. And another survey done by Salesforce indicated that 51% of the marketers are already using artificial intelligence, and 27%, even more, are willing to start utilizing artificial intelligence next year. As a business owner or as a marketer, it's the time to start thinking to utilize artificial intelligence to solve your business issues and to go to the next step. I have carefully analyzed a number of applications where artificial intelligence can be used in the digital marketing, and I'm going to talk next about each one of these, and hopefully that can benefit your business. I'll start by generating and creating content. For some of you, you might be saying that, is there a machine or a machine can write and produce content by itself? You might be saying there's no way, but in fact, there is a way. We have seen recently like a number of stories or a number of news have been published using artificial intelligence. Although artificial intelligence cannot write its own political opinion for a newspaper column, however, there are a certain area where artificial intelligence is being used to produce content or to attract visitors to your website. It can help to reduce time and resources. For example, AI can produce reports and news for your website and can generate more clicks on your website. Intelligent tools like Wordsmith, Articolo, Quell are being used right now by Forbes and Associated Press to produce content in their website, and that generates a lot of clicks on their website. Of course, that's based on templates and fill-in-blanks field. So you have probably used or read content being produced by artificial intelligence, since BBC, CBS, New York Times, and Reuters are already using this technology. And in fact, hundreds of articles that have been produced by Washington Post are using artificial intelligence. So you must probably have read some of these articles. The next important application that uses artificial intelligence is the email marketing. Brands and global organizations are using the power of artificial intelligence to personalize the email marketing campaign. based on preferences and user behavior. This makes it better for them, or makes it easier for them to better connect with their clients and understand their needs. And with a bit of luck, convert them to a client. Machine learning or automatic learning can analyze millions of data about consumers and help the companies to determine the best times and days to contact the client, the recommended frequency, the content that catches their attention most, and finally, which email subjects can generate more clicks. There are tools such as BoomTrain, Persado, Phrasee that can be used as tools for email marketing. And according to Phrasee, its generation of email subjects surpasses those of a human by 95%. That's a great number, in fact. Talking next about digital advertising. In fact, without doubt, this area of digital marketing is the most successfully adopted artificial intelligence. For example, Facebook, Google Ads platforms, they're already using machine learning and artificial intelligence to find people that are most likely to react or to respond to the advertiser's desired action. And of course, to achieve this, they analyze the user's behavior or the user information like their interests, demographics, and other aspects to bring the best audience to your organization that fits your brand or your organization. The next topic is about the search. The way users perform online search has been changed. Innovation like Amazon Echo, Google Home, and Apple Siri makes it possible or easier for people to make or to perform search by just pressing a button or using a voice command. There has been two big advances in artificial intelligence that revolutionized the internet search and the search engine optimization, such as the voice search and the Google machine learning algorithm, RankBrain. And in its blog, Google revealed that around 70% of the searches Google Assistant receives are in natural conversational language. So that's without using the typical keyword key tapping or using the type in the Google classical search. Therefore, voice research requires marketers to adapt their content that's more closer to the way that users were verbally would say or would express themselves. So to make it more relevant and to be in the first Google search results. The next applications where artificial intelligence can be used in the web design. If you thought that a good website cannot exist without the help of a programmer or a designer, well, that's a thing of the past. Today, there are already applications like FireDrop, Wix ADI, that are already using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques based on the user-provided information, like the text, images, call to action, and they can build a website or design a website that look professional in a less time and with affordable price. And as we are talking about website design, we need to talk about also the user experience. Through intelligent algorithms, it's possible to personalize experience on our website. Of course, this is after analyzing thousands of data on a single user through location, demographics, interest, devices, interaction within the website. AI can display offers and content that are more appropriate to a certain group or to certain users. So each group or users, they have a certain content or certain offers that can be displayed to them. A survey done by Evergage showed that 33% of the marketers used artificial intelligence to provide personalized experience in their website. And when they were asked about the benefit of using personalized experience, they have mentioned that 63% responded that it increased the conversion rate and improved the consumer's behavior. It's true. A good user experience is what keeps an audience browsing a site. The more time they spend on it, the higher probability of conversion. And as we are talking about also the website, chatbots are making the process of automating responses to potential buyers frequently asked questions easier by providing them with a way for search for their product and their services within the website. Chatbots, there are a lot of advantages of using chatbots. Chatbots can serve client 24/7, retain their data. Chatbots are friendly and never lose their patience. Consumer might get angry, but chatbots treat them always well. And finally, the chatbots can respond to several requests at the same time. So you don't need different agents just to reply to your customers. And it can reply at any time. The good news, you don't need to spend a huge amount of money in order to implement these chatbots. There's a tools, or you can utilize the Facebook bots tools like Wix.ai, wit.ai, to train the bots in a different conversation, and continually they can learn by themselves the user interaction. Finally, I want to talk about the predictive analysis. And I think this is the most important part as well. Predictive analysis is just the use of data, algorithm and statistical algorithm, and machine learning techniques to identify the probability of future conclusions. Predictive models can serve in a different area, and in marketing, and in marketing is no exception. It can be used as well there. These models makes it possible to predict the probability of a prospect user becoming a client. Also, it can help in other aspects like the quoted price necessary to make a conversion based on, of course, on the data and the analysis of the data throughout the year or throughout the week. Also, it can indicate which clients that are more likely to make more than one purchase in your website. The key to remember, as a quick note here, the key to remember here that the predictive models will only be good as the data you provided while creating them. So they need to be diverse, shouldn't be random, and shouldn't be unbiased. And you should be treating it or providing a huge amount of data for that. I have analyzed 8 applications so far. And as you can see, having artificial intelligence on your side will give you several benefits in your digital marketing strategy. And finally, before we close, AI is the new face of productivity, efficiency, and profitability, since better decisions mean higher return on investment. And just to be clear, artificial intelligence is not here to replace the jobs of marketers or advertisers. It's here to unleash their true strategic and creative potential. With that, I close my slides. Thank you so much, and thank you for having me.